In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download the Absher app on Android. First, let's start by opening the Google Play Store. You will see the iconic multicolored triangle logo on your device's home screen. Tap on it to launch the app. This is where you can find a wide range of applications available for your Android device. The Play Store is the safest place to download apps, ensuring you have the latest and most secure versions. If you are not already logged in, you may be prompted to enter your Google account credentials. This step is essential because it allows you to download apps and access all the features of the Play Store. Once you have the Play Store open, the next step is to tap the search bar at the top of the screen and type in Absher. The search bar is a crucial feature that helps you quickly locate the app you want. As you type, you might notice suggestions pop up below the search bar. This can save you time by allowing you to select the app directly from the drop-down list if it appears there. Pay attention to the spelling, as accurate input is important to find the correct app. Now, after you have typed Absher, it's time to select the official Absher app published by the National Information Center. You will see a list of apps that match your search. Look for the one that has the logo you recognize and is listed under the National Information Center. Selecting the official app is crucial because it ensures that you are downloading the legitimate version, which is secure and fully functional. Be cautious of lookalike apps that may not be genuine. Next up, once you have found the official Absher app, tap on the Install button. This button is typically green and located on the app's main page. By tapping Install, you are initiating the download and installation process. This step is important because it will bring the Absher app to your device, allowing you to access its features and services. You may see a progress bar indicating the download status. Watching this progress gives you a sense of how long the installation will take. After the installation is complete, you will see an option to open the app right from the Play Store. Tapping this will launch the Absher app for the first time. This is an exciting moment because you are now ready to explore everything the app has to offer. If you wish, you can also find the app on your home screen or in your app drawer. By following these steps, you have successfully downloaded the Absher app on your Android device. This app will help you manage various services conveniently, making your life easier. Remember, using the official app ensures that you are protected and receiving the best user experience. Thank you for watching this tutorial. If you found it helpful, please consider liking and subscribing for more instructional videos. Enjoy using your new Absher app.